magmahalan kayo lagi. Ikaw, Brian, mahalin mo si Jane. Mahalin mo si Jane ng buo. Kasi, alam mo naman na, buso namin sa babae yan. So, marriage sana tayo. Ganun pa rin. Kahit na may asawa ka na, huwag ka magbabago. Saka, dapat hindi ako iyakan. Pero, saka, Brian, ikaw, part ka na ng family namin. Alam mo naman noon pa, lagi tayong magkasama sa mga gimikan. Lagi ka nandyan sa amin. Alam ko na talagang mahal mo ang kapatid ko. Na kahit may mga kakatuwa kaming ginagawa na hindi mo alam, nandiyan ka pa rin para maunawaan kami at suportahan kami. Thank you. I love you.
Para kay Brian, tsaka kay Jane, congratulations. Simple lang, more wealth, kahit mayaman na kayo, and more health para kastusin yung wealth ninyo, and more power, sir. Congratulations ulit.
Ryan, magmalang ay mabuti ang mapayo ko sa inyo. Huwag niyong kalimutan, magsisimba ng araw ng linggo. Yan ang masasabi ko sa iyo. Ryan, pabayaan mo aking inaanak. Sana magmalang kayo habang buhay. Hanggang may buhay. Ang masabi ko lang, linggo magsisimba kayo. Maraming salamat.
Good evening. Ako po ang tanging representative ni Emilio Aguinaldo. So, when I came to Emilio Aguinaldo Caris as assistant professor, then followed by Jane, then Brian. Una po, hindi namin gusto si Brian para kay Jane. Pero siya ang pinakamasugid, pinakamatyaga at pinakamabait. So, that's what happened. He won. And Jane and Brian, all I wish for you is good health, good luck, and many children. Huwag isa, mahirap ang isa. Congratulations. My love for you. Bye.
Zenki and Capre. Brian, congrats. Then Jane, best wishes. Kinakabahan ako. Ako na-surprise. Sana magka-baby na kayo kagad para may bagong kalaro si Cheska at hindi na ikaw. Ha? Ayaw niya. Ay, hindi ko na problema yun. Anyway, stay happy, tsaka mahaba yung pasensya nyo for each other. And wag matutulog na nagkakagalit. Like tayo. Kami yun, hindi ikaw. Ayun. Stay happy, tsaka stay blessed. God bless.
Anyway, good evening to everyone. Let me first thank you for being here with us on this special occasion of my life, and so with my son. Thank you to my friends who came all the way from Thailand, Tito Paul, and also friends from Singapore. Thank you to my relatives who've been always being beside me, be in good or maybe not be too good times. Thank you to the newly honored second parents of my son, my new kumares and kumpares. Sana pag Pasko maalaala ninyo ako. Joke lang, pwede na rin tutuhanin, di ba? Thank you to my daughter for accepting my son to be your partner in life. All I wish for you is to take care of my son because I took good care of him. Don't let things ruin your life. I love you, Jane. To my son, Brian, to my son, Brian, all I say is to thank you for completing my life. when you came out of this world, everything had changed. You filled every space in my heart and everything. What more can I say? Thank you for completing my life. You filled every space in my thoughts, in my time, and every inch in my heart. I love you, son. I wish for you, in this new chapter of life, to be happy. I may not be with you now at all times, but aside from your newfound love, don't forget that God is always be with you. More than anything, more than anybody. He is the answer to all what you may need or may ask. Tomorrow, things will not be the same. I will surely miss my one little boy. But this, I'm very sure, I will not have my one little boy, but maybe a little girl who will call me Lola or Grandma. Pwede na rin mamita. To end up, pwede na siguro tama na rin kasi pwede naman parang episode ng MMK. To end up, I would like to thank our Almighty Lord for all these blessings. Maraming salamat. Thank you to all.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa mga nandito sa inyo. Wala akong ibang masasabi. Brian, mahalan mo na ng Magmahala kayong dalawa. Huwag kayong mag-aaway. Lagi kayong nagmamahalan. Gila? Alam mo, Brian, mahal na mahal din kita. Ayan. Si Mary Jean, bunso sa amin, sa mga anak ko. Salamat.
Sana nag-enjoy lahat? Enjoy? Enjoy ba lahat? Bitin, meron pa. Kakanta pa, sasayaw pa, marami pa. Okay? So, salamat sa inyo lahat. Salamat sa lahat ng dumalo sa kasal. Family and friends. Salamat ng marami.
Lupo, pasensya na kayo. Napaiyak ko kayo kanina. Well, nasa YouTube po yan. Tingnan nyo na lang po. Kay Idol Bob. So, yun. Thank you po sa lahat ng supplier. Tsaka thank you po sa mga nagsi-attend. Mga friends namin, relatives po. Tsaka yung family. Thank you po talaga. Sobrang blessings kasi dumating po kayo ngayong araw na ito sa amin to celebrate our wedding. Salamat po.